Today I'm going to be reviewing for you a sensational wig. The name of it is Amina. Here's the stock card. Stay tuned and find out what color I will be modeling for you today. Stay tuned. Straight out of the pack, here's Amina. She is a lace front wig, so I'm going to have to go in and cut the lace off. So I'll be back showing you the model or the wig on, and I'll model that for you. Hello, and I'm back again. I actually placed the jacket on, changed my earrings because I needed to get into character with this particular wig. I like the wig itself, and I'm going to tell you why I like it. I like it because it's different. Now, with that being said, it does take a little effort and a little work to get it to look a certain way, okay? I like it because I want to dye my hair or change my hair color, but then I don't want to have to work with keeping the color fresh and renewed. You know, this one is really sexy and very classy. You could wear it anywhere, actually. You could dress it up, you could dress it down. Let me do a 360 though, so you can see all sides of this particular wig before I give you my final thoughts. Again, I like the wig because it's different. The color, I think, is different. And by the way, I am modeling for you ash blonde. So let me come up close for you to see the color, ash blonde. I'm loving it. I'm really feeling myself with this particular wig. But again, it does take some work. It comes with the pre-plucked baby hairs. I don't take time styling it on the video camera. Just because we have a lot of other YouTubers that take you through that whole process. I do like it. Yeah, but it's a lot of work. I'm not going to sit and lie to you, but it's just, it was a matter of me taking a comb and I picked the front of it up. I just took it and picked it up, and I had this just kind of standing up more so than the other parts of the wig. So there you have it. This is Amina. I will have, again, all of the colors, where I purchased the wig. As always, you know the drill. It's in the description box. In the last couple of videos, I haven't asked for you to subscribe verbally, but I am on the channel today saying if you have not joined the Everything Beauties channel, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, and I will respond back to you. If you like this color on me, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That way I'll know to keep doing different styles with different colors. Until next time, I want to say to you, I enjoy being with you again today on a Monday. But before parting, I would like to say take care of each other and definitely yourself. And I'll see you back here next week, Monday.